My children were taken away from me by the state. They gave my children to one of my relatives, and now my relatives are not allowing me to see my children. What should I do?
This is a real problem. I'm Jack Phillips. I'm an attorney, and I run across this problem all the time. The court has given custody of your child to someone else, and they don't like you. What do you do about that? Well, the first thing you should do is keep accurate records. Whenever people call me about this problem, they all have one thing in common. They don't have one piece of paper about the court proceeding. They have no evidence that it even happened. And it's impossible for any lawyer to help you unless they can read what happened before. So, before you go and see the lawyer, go to the courthouse and say, I'd like a copy of my file. The next thing you should do is keep an honest record of what happened since the proceeding. So every time you call your child, write it down. Every time you talk to the custodian, write it down. Every time you hear something, write it down. Write down the date, write down the time, write down who you talked to, and write down what happened. It's very important that you do this because you will have much more credibility with the judge. And if you need to talk to a lawyer about this further, I'm always glad to help. Just call the number on the bottom of the screen, and I will really do my best to get you the solution you need to get your child back. Thanks so much for listening.